Alright, good morning everybody. As you can see, I have the fill plug out of the diff. Last thing I need to do is top off our differential. And then go for a test drive. And Scotty's going to be the Autobath 9000. That's his new nickname now. He's the Autobath 9000. Because he's got to get the tires all spruced up. They still have the protective blue on the white walls. Give the top a little clean up, scrubby scrub. Get everything nice and ready to go. So I'm going to put some gear oil in here. Put some liquid Teflon on that plug. And away we go. Done and done. We didn't even lose that much gear oil. That's a plus. Very nice.
Scotty, are you getting ready to give this thing a good old bath?
Yep, get the tires cleaned up, get everything taken care of, and make her look pretty.
All right, well.
Not that it already doesn't.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It's a beautiful car.
I'm going to go on our test drive.
Maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage. See what we got. And then I'll be back shortly. And then you can give her a bath. And then Luciano's going to come get it Saturday.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. All right. All right, let's see how she does cold start. Use my usual 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right. Beautiful cold start. Gonna let her idle. Key to these cars, and we tell everybody this, on the temp gauge, once it moves over to that little line right there, on this, you know, the normal range, once it hits that, you're about ready to go drive. So, gonna let her idle a couple minutes, get up to temp, and away we go. Yay! Exciting! Alright, temp gauge is already moving. Been running about 90 seconds. Getting it going. We're almost there. I'm just gonna blip the throttle. See if I get the choke to turn off. Beautiful. Listen to that. What a stunner. Alright. About ready to go for a drive. Alright. Gauge is where we want it to get rolling. We're getting rolling. By the way, I love the wood wheel. It's my favorite. So, I'm gonna go for a little cruisy cruise. It's beautiful today. Go. Like an early morning drive in a beautiful classic Mustang. And this one's got a wonderful little hula girl on the dash as well. Fun! Oh, not gonna go that way. We got traffic jam. Nope, we're gonna go straight instead. So Luciano and I talked about the car kind of holding gears for a long time. All about throttle position. Now, when it had the other carb, the larger carb, you know, it would have been lazy. So you gotta give it more throttle to get her moving, which we've discussed. Now it has the proper size carb, it takes less throttle to get the same reaction. This is pretty. Anyway. So, just driving it now, I get what he was saying, but now you're going to take way less throttle position to do the same thing. So, it does shift a little bit better, Doesn't hold gears long, a little bit, but doesn't exactly have a ton of power either, so. It's just a good car. Happy camper. Gonna get through here, go through the neighborhood, come back around, and go back to the shop. But everything seems in order. So we just kind of got back from the test drive, let the car idle. There's not a drop under it. It's been idle about 10 minutes after the drive. Nothing. We're just sitting there eating breakfast in my room. And then Scotty here is about ready to commence bath time for baby.
Yep.
Scotty, you should change the song to "Working at the Car Wash."
I don't have that body anymore.
I'm sure somebody'd be okay with that. God, look at that. Delicious. Delicious.